you want to monitor an iPhone with mSpy, the good news is no jailbreak, no physical access, just the cloud login, and setup takes only minutes. In this setup wizard, select a cloud solution. This method works entirely through a cloud, so you don't need to touch the device. Enter the Apple ID and password of the target iPhone. Then type in the two-factor code sent to the device. Once verified, mSpy connects to a cloud. mSpy will now sync data from a cloud